I think there is a demand now for vegan food everywhere you go.
Here in Broccoli?
Well, in Broccoli, yes. Before we used to have only one or two things, but now we changing it and adding things to it, and we make sure that you have like 3 or 4 things vegan, so people can not stuck with the same food all the time they come to this place. I try to use the vegan sign on all my products, so people know that we have vegan food in here. So then they come in, so they don't hesitate. Some people are shy to come in and ask, do you do vegan food? And then they ask the people, okay, this place do. If you advertise for it, there is definitely.
You said, do you buy a lot of your vegan products from the shop next door?
Yes, she supplies me all the vegan products.
All of your products.
Yeah. We do it not because of our benefit, but we do it so the people who are vegan can go to a restaurant and have a meal. They benefit, the customers benefit more than us.